Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the system accepts the unlock attempt. Make sure your account is verified, two-factor authentication is active, and you meet the level or XP minimum. This prevents soft failures. Once done, gather the 3 tokens and emblem into your inventory and navigate directly to the Milestone menu. You should then select C00lkidd and trigger the initial activation. This writes the unlock marker and consumes the starting items. You now execute the core sequence that finalizes the milestone state. Start by interacting with Terminal A, wait the 12-second delay, then quickly interact with Terminal B within a 6-second window so the sequence chains. Next, apply the emblem to the sync port to begin the progress bar. Make sure it reaches 100% without interruption because drops reset progress. While synced, complete the 3-minute challenges, stealth, puzzle, and a 45-second timed run to register all required checkpoints. You finish by performing the final commit that writes C00lkidd to your profile. Return to the milestone menu and press the Finalize button. The system will perform a short validation pass and award the badge if all checks pass. Make sure you see the emblem glow and the milestone log entry to confirm success. If something goes wrong, clear your cache, relog, and repeat the full sequence within 10 minutes. This resolves most sync errors and prevents duplicate item consumption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.